Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today's look is brought to you by e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and these are the colors. I hope you like this look, and if you want to see the rest of it, stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. My name is Alma, and I create different makeup looks. I play with makeup, chat sometimes. And I hope you like my video. Thank you so much, and stay tuned if you'd like to see how I did it. I will be using these brushes. I've never used these eye brushes from Real Techniques. Today's my first time. I've used their face brushes, but never these, so I'm excited to try it. Let's do this. Like this. Oh. Okay, so I did both my lids, and this is how it looks. My God, I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna try this Wet n Wild gel lip liner called Bear to Comment 651B. Bear to Comment. Looks good. Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. This is a really good one. The color is Petal. Okay, everybody, so this is the finished look. Very glittery and corally, and my glossy nude lip. Also, I would like to say that these brushes are really awesome. I didn't use these two, so overall I really like them. And also for foundation today, I used this one. Cool, I like it. This was a little complicated to use, but it's okay, you know. I use this on my brows. Today's eyelashes are from Ardell Double Wispies. So I used that, and there you go. I hope you guys like my look. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and everybody who has subscribed, thank you so much. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye.